Welcome back to Yummy Cooking with Joy. Today I'm making zucchini bread. This is a family favorite. My husband and I love to have this for breakfast, brunch, any time of the day. So please go ahead, have fun, make this, enjoy, and share the video. I'm using 1.5 cup of organic zucchini with 1 banana. Now you can grate it on any side you prefer. You can do it on that side or this side, but for some reason I like to do it on this side. And I have 1.5 cup. I like to take a tea towel and just squeeze a little bit of the juice out. Not a lot, just a little bit of it. And if I need more juice at the end, I can always add a tablespoon back. But this is something I like to do. You don't have to do it. This is optional. And use any spices that you have in your cupboard. You may have mace, clove, ginger, mixed spice. Make it yours. Just make it your own. And get all the lumps out the flour. And of course, I got to squeeze a bit of lemon juice in my egg just to take the rawness out. You can use the chopped walnuts, but I like them blend, so use whatever you like. I don't like to see them, and just mix it well. I'm using coconut sugar because it's not as sweet, but you can go ahead and use brown sugar or use more sugar if you like it very sweet. And of course, I gotta use avocado oil, but you can use butter or any oil of your choice. Normally, put a teaspoon of zest. I totally forgot to add mine in. I didn't get to do it till the end, but this is the time you want to put that in. And don't over mix that. Just fold it in because you don't want it to be hard. And make sure your oven's on 350. And this should bake for, it shouldn't be in the oven no longer than 50 minutes. This only took me 42 minutes on 350. This is how it looks, and you just may want to get a toothpick so you can make sure nothing comes out of there. And your seat's clear, so you're good to go. And this is how I made my zucchini bread. It came out so good. We ended up having this for breakfast, and it was so delicious. I hope you make this, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.